Hi students, today we are going to discuss a sample problem for the exponential Fourier series. Okay, so till the last class we studied about trigonometric Fourier series, then uh, deriving exponential Fourier series from trigonometric Fourier series and conversion formulas. So all these things are we discussed till last class, and in this session onwards we are going to do problems based on exponential Fourier series. So let's see. Here we are provided with a question. It is find the exponential Fourier series and plot the magnitude and phase spectra of the following triangular waveform. Okay, so they are given as a triangular waveform, it's a periodic triangular waveform, and they asked us to find the exponential Fourier series and plot its magnitude as well as phase spectrum. Okay, so ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കണ്ട് കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആദ്യം ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യം എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ we need to analyze that signal and we need to find the equation for the signal x of t. Okay, so here also I am considering a full cycle of the given signal. I am considering the period from -1 to +1, and here it is marked as t. Okay, so I am considering time period from t to -1 to +1, and I am going to find the value for x of t from the interval -1 to +1. Okay, so from this figure itself we can understand that from -1 to 0, from the time -1 to 0, the signal is going to be like this, and from 0 to 1 the signal is decaying. Okay, like this. So from the interval from -1 to +1, we need to split that into two sessions. It is from -1 to 0, one session, and then from 0 to 1, another session. Okay, so we need to find the equation corresponding to x of t, or the value corresponding to x of t during these two intervals. Which are the two intervals? It is from -1 to 0 and then 0 to 1. Okay, so here I am going to find the equation for the x of t. In the first case, I am going to consider the time interval from -1 to 0. Okay, so I am going to find the equation for x of t from the given interval -1 to 0, and by using the equation for straight line. Okay, coordinate system വെച്ചിട്ട് ഞാൻ അതിന്റെ equation കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുകയാണ്. So we know the equation is, what is the equation? It is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so we are taking the coordinates as x1 y1 equal to 0 1, x2 y2 equal to -1 0. Okay, so coordinates എടുക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാം. Okay, so ഈ ഒരു straight line coordinates x coordinate y coordinate വെച്ച് ഞാൻ എഴുതിയേക്കാണ്. Then I am substituting in the line equation, and finally I will get the equation as x of t is equal to t plus 1. So initially our equation was in the terms of y and x. Now in this figure our y-axis is x of t and x-axis is t. Okay, so then the equation for the signal x of t for the time interval -1 to 0 will become x of t is equal to t plus 1. So likewise we need to consider the second case, that is the time interval from 0 to 1. Okay, so same way we need to find out the equation for x of t for the time interval 0 to 1, and I got that as x of t is equal to 1 minus 1. Okay, so if we rewrite the equation for x of t is become 1 plus t from the interval -1 less than t less than 0, and it will become 1 minus t for the interval 0 less than t less than 1. Okay, so then we need to find the time period of the signal. Okay, so time period become 2 seconds, and from that we need to find the fundamental frequency omega, that is 2 pi by capital T, that is 5 seconds. So we got the equation for x of t and the fundamental time period and frequency. So now we know the equation for the exponential Fourier series, that is x of t is equal to n equal to minus infinity to infinity Cn e raised to minus jn omega 0 t. Okay, so in that we need to find the constant Cn. We also know the equation for the Cn. So what is the equation for the Cn? It is 1 by t integral t0 to t0 plus t or 0 to t, anything. That is a full cycle from where to where we are considering. Okay. So x of t e raised to minus j n omega 0 t dt. Okay, we know the equation for t, omega naught t, and the limits. So t is 2 seconds. So it will become 1 by 2 second integral minus 1 to 1. So from the initial figure we are considering a full cycle from minus 1 to 1. So the integral limit will be changed to minus 1 to 1 x of t e raised to minus j n omega naught is pi here. Okay, so pi t dt. Okay, so we know that from the interval minus 1 to 1, the value for x of t will be splitter. Okay, so that is split from minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, split into 2. Okay, so we are splitting the integral and substituting the value for x of t here. So first in the first interval, equation from will be integration will be from minus 1 to 0, and the value for x of t is 1 plus t, and in the second integral the limit from 0 to 1 and the value for x of t is 1 minus t. Okay, so we need to open the bracket and we need to integrate. Okay, so for the simplicity, I have split these into four parts and I am integrating separately. Okay, so you need to find the separate integrals. Then after solving all these parts, we will get the equation for Cn like this. Okay, so then on rearranging, so we are opening the brackets in between. We are opening the brackets and taking the common terms, that is e raised to j n pi, e raised to minus j n pi common. We are taking together that common terms, and on rearranging, finally we will get the equation for n will be like this. Okay, so we know that from, look here, so it is of the form e raised to j theta e raised to jx minus e raised to minus jx by 2j. Okay, so we need to adjust accordingly and we need to rewrite the equation for Cn. So finally we will get Cn like this. Okay, so Cn is equal to 2 by n by the whole square for n is odd and for 0 for n is even. So which means Cn exists only for the odd values of n. Then we need to find C0, that is n is equal to 0. That will be like this. We know the equation for C0. It is 1 by t integral t0 to t0 plus t x of t dt. Okay. It is same as A0 in the trigonometric Fourier series. Okay. Then we know the equation for Cn. So then we need to plot the magnitude spectrum as well as phase spectrum. So Cn will be a complex number since it is exponential. So if there is a complex number, we know how to find the magnitude and uh, phase. So for example, if Cn is equal to of the form a plus jb, its magnitude will be root of a square plus b square, and its phase will be, angle of Cn will be tan inverse b by a. Okay, so here there is no, in the equation of Cn there is no complex terms, only real term is there. So its phase will become 0 and the magnitude will be like this. When n equal to 0, it is 1 by 2. N equal to even number, it is 0. N equal to odd number, it will become 2 by n pi square depending on the value of n. Okay, so we are considering different types of values for n and finding out the values for corresponding Cn, and we are plotting like this. This is known as magnitude spectra, and in phase spectra there is nothing is there because angle of Cn is equal to 0. So we need to solve exponential Fourier series like this.